Welcome to ReviewMobile. Today we're diving into Samsung's latest budget-friendly smartphone, the Samsung Galaxy A06. This new addition to the Galaxy A series promises solid performance and a sleek design without breaking the bank. Let's explore what makes the Galaxy A06 a smart choice in 2025. Design and display. The Galaxy A06 features a minimalist and modern design with a plastic back and frame, available in classic colors like black, silver, and light green. It houses a 6.5-inch PLS LCD display with HD+ resolution. While it doesn't boast AMOLED or high refresh rates, the screen is bright and responsive enough for casual browsing, social media, and video watching. Performance and software. Under the hood, the Galaxy A06 is powered by the MediaTek Helio G85 chipset paired with 4GB or 6GB of RAM, depending on the variant. It delivers dependable day-to-day performance, especially for tasks like messaging, video playback, and light gaming. It runs on Android 14 with One UI Core, giving users a smooth and simple Samsung experience, though with fewer advanced features than higher-end models. Camera features. The dual-camera setup includes a 50-megapixels main sensor and a 2-megapixels depth sensor. For a budget device, the main camera performs well in daylight, capturing decent detail and color. The 5-megapixels front-facing camera is serviceable for video calls and selfies, though it struggles in low-light situations. Battery and charging. A major highlight of the A06 is its 5000 mAh battery, which comfortably lasts a full day on moderate use. Paired with 15W fast charging via USB-C, it keeps users going without frequent recharges. While charging speeds are modest, the battery endurance is a strong point for this device. Final verdict. The Samsung Galaxy A06 is a reliable and affordable choice for those looking for a simple smartphone for daily use. It's not packed with high-end specs, but its large display, long-lasting battery, and Samsung's user-friendly software make it a great entry-level option. If you're on a tight budget and want a trusted brand name, the A06 deserves your attention. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to ReviewMobile for more tech reviews.